Animals whose babies are almost untouchable. Number 1, crocodile. Crocodile babies are the safest in the animal kingdom. Female crocodiles lay their eggs near water and carefully cover them with mud to keep predators away. After 3 months, the eggs hatch, and the mother gently takes her babies to the water in her mouth. She protects them for 3 years until they grow up. Number 2, squirrel. The biggest threat to squirrel babies are snakes. However, squirrel mothers have a clever way to protect their babies. They know that snakes use smell to hunt. The mother collects snake skins, chews them, and spreads their smell on herself and her babies. This confuses the snake, and it does not know whether it is a squirrel or another snake.